morning. I hope you're doing good. I just want to say before I start recording this video today that I have a bit of a cold and I get asthma, so if my breathing's a bit blah, I apologise. Nothing serious. I just didn't want to sound like Darth Vader, which I probably will anyway. So today we're going to do some exciting DIY. I think any DIY is exciting, but we'll go for a walk first. One last hydrangea. Excuse my face. Anyone would think I was a teenager getting pimples. We're going to do some wood cutting. So we're going to make some little holders, but a bit small to put your cup on, but they'd make cute little placeholders in a dining situation. Whatever really. I just like natural wood in my house. Even though I paint most of it. That's my joke. Okay, safety first. Not the most glamorous thing. But eye protection, ear protection. Okay, so this is what we've ended up with. It's really hard to get them even. You know, they are going to be rustic. I don't use the word rustic very often in my decorating, but these are kind of it. I really like that one. I like the grain. I will show you some previous ones I have made a long time ago. It's a bit like a cooking show. I prepared this one earlier. Ah, these are really old. I did them probably more than a year ago, and they're, you know, they're really totally dry, and they're all different. I just wanted them to be a bit different, and I had this old bird cage, and I just took the top of it, and they fitted perfectly in there. These are really good for a cup size. If you're having afternoon tea and you don't want to spoil the surface, if you get what I mean. So it's just a matter of finding what wood you've got. So I wanted to make some smaller ones. In all honesty, these are probably a little bit small, but I think they'll just look really cute as name placeholders. I did have some a couple of weeks ago that I made that I didn't show you, that we kind of took some of the wood out of the middle and made really rough candle holders. I wasn't so keen on those though. And this wood here, I do like that size, but for the life of me I couldn't find anything round. But I might just make that into something. It's just all about experimenting, using a different texture, a different medium. I really like doing that. Okay, I just moved you a bit closer. I've got my masterware for sanding. So, you know, obviously bits like that just need to have a clean up. Obviously none of them are going to have food on them. So it's just going to be either a little bit of paper, a bit of card. We'll just see what they turn out like. So I had an idea to put some decoupage paper on them. Not all of them, I haven't got enough. This is just left over from another project. I always keep my leftovers because you never know when you can use it. Oh, I just dropped it. I'm going to do a few different, just to give you some ideas, basically what you can do. So I've got this one and this one. You know, they're not exactly twins, but they look pretty good. That one's got, was it that one that had? No. I was just trying to think where's that bit of bark, but that's okay. And I basically cut it the decoupage paper, and just, you know, center it as best I can on there. Gonna use some Mod Podge. Excuse container, it's well used and well loved. I love this stuff. Excuse the brush. If you've been watching my videos for a while for DIYs, you know that I just have the same rugged brushes. Stick it on both sides. The more the merrier. The more Mod Podge the merrier. I've never seen this done before. I kind of just made it up. So if it's a failure, I won't do it again. Oh. So I'm just going to stick something heavy on top of the bits of wood while it dries. The next one, or two, I'm just getting off the excess wood. I have, if I can find it, some polyurethane, a clear varnish. So we'll just varnish them and see what they look like. I love experimenting with DIYs. Like, this is just like a wider idea that I had. You know, like I did the white ones, I painted them. But I felt like I just wanted to try something different. Wider idea. Sounds like I'm this total genius. Oh, laughing at my own jokes again. My husband will like these ones because I haven't done anything to the wood. I have a dinner plate size of the white ones as well. I will get that later in the video and I'll show you it. As I say, it just depends all on the size of the wood. Oh, I did 3. Didn't mean to do 3. Actually, I have another one. I'm going to polyurethane that one as well. So we've got 4. Like a little set. Polyurethane kind of just gives it something to be able to wipe it clean, if that makes sense. Okay, so I have these 2 left. I'm going to paint these and stencil them. Him too. I don't know why he's a guy. No judging on the brush. I should have just thrown this brush out, but it's all I could find when I went to look for a brush just then. It looks like something that I'm putting icing on. I've got one more, I'm just going to paint that as well. Okay, let's check on the decoupage ones, and obviously that will dry clear. I've got a craft knife and I'll just cut around that like that. Confession time, I did try and stencil one and it looked really dumb. So I'm not going to show you. Sorry guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the big huge one. Like, this was a huge piece of wood and this is about 18 months old and the white's sort of discoloured. But I said to my husband, please don't cut up all the firewood, I really want some more this size. And I just put decor on this. It is huge. So I didn't achieve what I really wanted to do today, but I kind of did. It was fun. I hope you liked it. I hope it gave you some ideas.